How to fix Brave not installing. I am going to show you how you can easily fix Brave not installing. Launch the Brave browser and press Ctrl-Shift-Delete to open the browsing data window. Click on the time range drop-down menu and select all time from the list of options. Select all three options here and click on Clear Data. Many users confirmed that 3 or more days of browsing are sometimes enough to make the browser laggy and even cause freezes and crashes. So in this case, the best solution is to remove your browsing history and get rid of the cache. To run, the SFC scan press window +S to launch the search menu. Enter terminal. Right-click on the relevant search results and select Run as administrator. Click Yes in the UAC prompt. Press Ctrl-Shift-2 to open command prompt. Paste the following command and hit Enter. Wait until the scanning process is complete and then restart your computer. If the Brave browser stopped working on Windows due to file corruption, you can fix it using the System File Checker. To reinstall the Brave browser folder, press Windows+R to launch the Run command and enter AppWiz CPL in the text field and click OK. Select Brave browser from the list, click on Uninstall, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. You now have to delete any leftover files. To do that, press Windows+ to launch File Explorer and navigate to the following path. Make sure to replace username with the actual account name. Select the Brave software folder here and hit the delete key. Now go to the following path. If you find a Brave folder here, delete it. Delete all the copies of the installers to make sure all the files and folders have been removed. To reboot your machine, download the Brave installer again and reinstall the browser. To reset Brave to default, launch Brave. Paste the following path in the address bar and hit Enter. Click on Reset Settings to their original defaults. Now, click on the Reset Settings button.